In this video, we will show you how to use and customize our client list reporting in RiskVille. First, you need to head over to the reporting page. Then click Client List. This is where you can configure the client list report. In the CRM category, you can decide whether you want prospects, clients, or both in your report. In this example, we will choose clients only. In the Columns section, you can select which client data you wish to be included in your report. Each data point will have its own column in Excel. If you wish to include all data points, click on the empty box at the top, which will select all of them. If you are struggling to find the data point you are looking for, you are able to use the search function. Simply click and type in the data point you are looking for, and then select it. For this example, we will select a handful of data points. The next step is deciding whether you wish to view all clients. If you select this option, you will include all clients in your report. If you leave it unselected, the report will only include clients where you are the key account associated. The final option is whether you wish to include contacts in your report. Finally, click Continue, and the report will be downloaded onto your PC as an Excel sheet. Here, you can see the 3 data points we selected, and only clients where I am the key account are included. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any proposals or questions, reach out to us by email or through our support chat.